You spent years pouring everything into your kids, loving them, guiding them, sacrificing for them, and now the house is quiet. Your days feel strangely empty, and you're left wondering, who am I now? If you've ever felt lost, unsure, or even a little lonely after your kids left home, you're not alone. But the truth is, this isn't the end of your purpose. It's the beginning of a brand new chapter. Today, I'm going to show you how to redefine your purpose and thrive in midlife. By the end of this video, you'll learn why empty nest syndrome feels so overwhelming, how to shift your mindset so you don't stay stuck in sadness, and the 3 powerful ways to redefine your purpose in this new season of life. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Kostelyk, a master Christian mental health coach and NLP practitioner. I help midlife Christian women break free from negative thought patterns, rediscover their passions, and create a life they truly love. And let me tell you, your best years are not behind you. God still has so much in store for you. And if today's message speaks to you, be sure to grab my free guide, Identifying Your Passions in Midlife. It's in the link in the description. So what's been the hardest part of adjusting to an empty nest? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So let's get into it. Why does empty nest syndrome feel so overwhelming? Let's talk about this season. Why does it feel so hard? For years, you've been someone's everything: chauffeur, cook, therapist, cheerleader, homework helper, and midnight nurse, and your life was filled with purpose. And now the house is quiet, the routine is gone, and you're wondering, what do I even do with myself? This is completely normal. It's not just about missing your kids. It's about a shift in your identity. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 reminds us, "To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven." So this isn't the end. It's just a new season. I remember the first time my home was empty and it felt too quiet. I wasn't used to all that space, all that time. And I'll be honest, I felt lost for a while. But what I didn't realize back then is that this season wasn't meant to be a loss. It was an invitation. It isn't about filling the time until grandkids come along. This is about rediscovering you. One of the biggest mistakes women make in this season is believing the lie that their best years are behind them. Like, I don't know who I am without my kids at home. Or, I don't have a purpose anymore. Or, I'm just getting older. What's left for me? These are lies. And if you keep believing them, you'll stay stuck in sadness instead of stepping into the fullness of what God has for you. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you a future and a hope." God's plans for you didn't stop when your kids moved out. He's still calling you into purpose. I once coached a woman who felt completely lost when her kids left home. She thought her purpose was over. But when she started exploring her passions, things she had put on hold for years, she realized that she had a whole new purpose waiting for her. She went back to school, she started a business, and now she feels more alive than ever. Your identity was never just about being a mom. You are a woman with gifts, dreams, and a purpose beyond parenting. It's time to start exploring what that looks like in this season. So some powerful ways to rediscover your purpose in midlife. How do you move forward? Here are 3 powerful ways to step into your purpose in this season. First, reconnect with your passions. What did you love before life got busy? Was it art, writing, fitness, ministry, or travel? It's time to start exploring those passions again. 2, serve in a new way. Your nurturing heart didn't disappear when your kids moved out, so look for ways to serve. Maybe it's mentoring younger women, volunteering, or even starting something new. And 3, dream bigger than before. This is your time. Maybe there's a dream you've buried thinking it's too late, but it's not too late. The dreams God placed in your heart still matter. Isaiah 43:19 says, "See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it?" This is your season for something new. How about starting a nonprofit after the kids leave home? Or maybe becoming a health coach? Maybe you'll finally start writing that book you've been dreaming of for decades. You have a choice. Will you settle into sadness, or will you step into something new? If this message spoke to you, let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to rediscover your purpose in midlife, download my guide, Identifying Your Passions in Midlife. It's packed with practical steps to help you move forward. The link is in the description. This isn't the end. It's just the beginning. So before you go, I want to remind you, God is not done with you. You're not forgotten. This new season isn't about losing purpose. It's about stepping into something even greater. You're still needed. You're still called. And you are more than just a mom. You're a woman with a powerful purpose. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.